Ever feel like juggling flaming torches while trying to manage your agency's finances or keep track of payments for your online empire? You're not alone. Between client invoices, vendor payouts, and keeping a hawk eye on your cash flow, things can get messy fast. But what if there was a way to bring some much-needed order to that financial chaos, a central hub designed specifically for the way agencies and online businesses operate? That's where Relay Bank enters the picture. It's not your typical brick-and-mortar bank. Think of it as a financial command center built from the ground up for businesses like yours, businesses that thrive on digital transactions, collaboration, and clear financial visibility. Now, you might be thinking, another bank? What makes this one different? And that's a fair question. Traditional banking often feels clunky and ill-suited for the dynamic nature of agencies and online ventures. You're dealing with multiple income streams, potentially a distributed team, and the need to integrate with various online tools. Relay Bank understands this and offers features designed to streamline these complexities. So, how exactly can you leverage Relay Bank to supercharge your agency or online business's financial management? Let's dive into some key ways. 1. Setting up your financial hub. The first step, of course, is getting set up. Relay Bank offers a straightforward online application process. You'll need your business's basic information, including your EIN, employer identification number, if you're in the U.S., or its equivalent in your region. The process is typically faster and less cumbersome than opening a traditional business bank account. Once approved, you can start creating multiple checking accounts. Yes, you heard that right. Forget the days of one monolithic business account trying to handle everything. With Relay, you can create dedicated accounts for specific purposes, one for operating expenses, another for client payments, perhaps one for marketing, and even individual accounts for different projects or team members if needed. This segregation offers incredible clarity. You can instantly see how much money is allocated for what, making budgeting and tracking expenses significantly easier. No more sifting through a giant transaction history to figure out where your money is going. 2. Streamlining payments and invoicing. For agencies, getting paid on time is crucial. Relay Bank integrates seamlessly with popular invoicing software like QuickBooks Online and Xero. This means you can send professional-looking invoices to your clients, and when they pay, the funds flow directly into your designated Relay account. This integration eliminates the manual work of tracking payments and reduces the risk of errors. Online businesses, especially those dealing with e-commerce platforms or subscription models, can also benefit immensely. Relay can help manage the influx of payments from various sources, providing a clear overview of your revenue streams. Furthermore, paying vendors and contractors becomes a breeze. You can easily initiate ACH transfers or send checks directly from your Relay account. The platform often offers features for scheduling recurring payments, which is a lifesaver for regular expenses like software subscriptions or contractor fees. 3. Empowering team collaboration. If you have a team, Relay Bank allows you to grant controlled access to different accounts based on roles and responsibilities. This means your project manager can have access to the project expense account, while your accountant can have a broader view for reconciliation purposes. This level of control ensures transparency and accountability without compromising security. You can define specific permissions for each team member, such as the ability to view transactions, initiate payments, with approval workflows if needed, or generate reports. This collaborative approach streamlines internal processes and reduces the bottleneck of a single person managing all financial tasks. 4. Gaining real-time financial visibility. Say goodbye to waiting for monthly bank statements to understand your financial health. Relay Bank provides a real-time view of your account balances and transaction history. The intuitive dashboard gives you a snapshot of your key financial metrics, helping you stay on top of your cash flow. You can easily track income and expenses, identify spending patterns, and monitor your progress towards your financial goals. This real-time visibility empowers you to make informed decisions quickly and proactively address any potential financial challenges. 5. Integrating with your tech stack. In today's digital landscape, your bank needs to play well with your other business tools. Relay Bank understands this and offers integrations with a growing number of platforms beyond just accounting software. This can include payment processors, e-commerce platforms, and other business management tools. These integrations further automate your financial workflows, reducing manual data entry and the risk of discrepancies. For example, sales data from your e-commerce platform can automatically sync with your Relay account, providing a holistic view of your business performance. 6. Managing debit cards and spending. Relay Bank typically offers business debit cards that can be linked to your various checking accounts. This allows team members with the necessary permissions to make purchases on behalf of the business while keeping spending separate and trackable. You can often set spending limits on these cards and monitor transactions in real time, providing an extra layer of control over your expenses. This is particularly useful for managing project-related costs or providing team members with funds for specific purposes. 7. Planning for the future. Beyond day-to-day transactions, Relay Bank can also aid in your financial planning. By having a clear overview of your income and expenses, and with the ability to create dedicated savings accounts, you can more effectively plan for future investments, expansions, or unexpected costs. The detailed transaction history and reporting features can also be invaluable when it comes to forecasting and making strategic financial decisions for your business's growth. Specific use cases for agencies. Imagine a marketing agency running multiple client campaigns. With Relay, they can create separate accounts for each client project. All income related to that client goes into their dedicated account, and all expenses, ad spend, contractor fees, software subscriptions, are paid from the same account. This makes it incredibly easy to track the profitability of each individual campaign and provide clear financial reports to clients if needed. Similarly, a web development agency can use separate accounts for different development projects, allowing them to monitor project budgets and ensure they stay within scope. They can also grant their freelance developers access to specific project accounts for payments, streamlining the contractor payment process. Specific use cases for online businesses. For an e-commerce store, Relay can help manage the flow of revenue from various sales channels. They can have separate accounts for different product lines or marketing campaigns, allowing them to analyze the performance of each. Integrating with their payment processor ensures that sales revenue is automatically deposited into the correct Relay account. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.